Time out, time out, time out. DJI just did something with one of their latest drones that they have never done before. Folks, this is one of the latest drones from DJI and it is called the Avata 360. It already launched in China on March 26 and created a buying rush. It's currently on pre-sale overseas with an official release expected around April 9th. Looking forward to launching globally soon. Now I know what you're thinking. Oh great, another drone. Hear me out because DJI may have just released one of their best drones yet and it won't break your bank. Now this is probably my favorite, but I'm putting at number 5 and that is the design. This is Anti-Gravity A1 360 and as you can see, it is a traditional prop design, which means that whenever it comes in contact with something, things may be going south really fast. Whereas the DJI Avata 360 has a totally different and superior design. The Avata 360 has integrated propeller guards, which means that if it bumps into something, it just keeps on going. Number 4. And when it comes to having stable connectivity, DJI's got you covered by having a range all the way up to 20 kilometers. Whereas the Anti-Gravity A1 360 caps out at just 10 kilometers. Number 3. And when it comes to sensors, yes, both these drones do have obstacle avoidance sensors. However, DJI went a step further by including omnidirectional obstacle sensing in the Avata 360. Number 2, and when it comes to flying these drones, well, the Anti-Gravity A1 360 drone only has one way to can fly it, and that is with the goggles and the motion controller. But once again, DJI went a step further and says that you can fly with their FPV goggles and smart controller and the FPV controller. And finally, at number 1, if you think all this 360 camera jazz is a little too much for you, and you prefer a single camera drone flying experience, well, DJI also has got you covered by allowing you to record in a single camera format. Whereas the Anti-Gravity A1 360 drone doesn't give you this option and you're locked in using its 360-degree cameras. And finally, the biggest concern for everyone is the price. The DJI Avata 360 drone only has a starting price point of just $449. Or you can get the Avata 360 plus the controller for $659. In comparison, the Anti-Gravity A1 is significantly more expensive. And I have to say, the DJI Avata 360 is looking pretty tempting.